Hey everybody, this is Dane. I want to take you to another great house. It's called the Chanel. We're gonna walk through it. Let's go take a look. This house has a great porch. Everybody wants a porch, so let's go inside and see what it looks like. Give you a quick little walk around before we go inside. You can peek through the window to see the living area up in there. We'll go inside just a minute. Okay everybody, let's do the walkthrough on the Chanel. Look at this amazing front door. I just wanted to take a minute and tell me what y'all think about the front door. I love that front door. Give me some comments. Do you love it? Here's your front dining room as you walk in. Great foyer entryway here. As we head into the kitchen. I'm blown away by that refrigerator over there. What do y'all think about that? They just started putting the new Samsung package in here with the microwave and the stove and the refrigerator. That refrigerator is high tech. It's got so many options. I think you can hook your cell phone up to it. It does so many amazing things. I'll have to do a separate video on that. Got your big sink in the island, which a lot of people like. I love how they've set it up here with the little office area in the kitchen. Beautiful open living concept. Got the big ceiling coffered up above. I love, love, love that. Look at those windows. And of course, everybody loves this porch. Look at that porch. I love it, love it, love it. All right, let's go on back down here to the other end of the house, and we'll come back to the big bedroom. But let's go see what we got down here. I love this kitchen. How do y'all like the layout? Have our TV there, entertaining. Did you see this home for the holidays? Everybody's together. I can remember when we were kids, they'd put us at the island. All right, you all are gonna sit at the bar. We're all gonna be over here in the dining room so they can keep an eye on us, but we can have fun in here by the TV. We'd always fight over whoever got to sit at the bar when I was a kid. I'm just blown away by that refrigerator. That thing's so high tech. As we head down here, let's see what we got. So this is the first bathroom. Check out the color combination. Love the dark countertops with the bright white sink and the bright white cabinets with the black poles. Very nice, very nice. Bedroom off the front here. Let's see, you got two big windows in here. This is the massive bedroom. This almost feels like a second primary bedroom in here, it's so big. And this closet, let's see. This closet's almost as big as a primary bedroom closet. It's huge. Big closet. Yeah, I love this bedroom. We got another bedroom over here. I want to see, let's take a peek at this closet over here. It's like another really, really large, good-sized closet. Got another bathroom here. We got two full bathrooms. Another really good sized bedroom here. And that closet is really good size as well. All fully taped and textured. All right, let's go down the Walmart aisle to see what we got. What do y'all think of this big barn door here sliding to open up? Oh my gosh, this pantry is massive. This thing is humongous. Anybody out there wanting to prep, you're good to go. Lots of stuff you could get in here. All right, there's your big Rheem water heater. Everybody keeps telling me how much they love that water heater. Saving them lots and lots of money. And there's your amazing smart comfort heat and air system by Carrier. That's a big one. So you're good to go there. That's your spot for your washer and dryer right there, which is a great spot right off the back door. I love the flow of this house. This is a really nice home. And here's your big primary bedroom. I'm loving it. Oh wow, look at that. Great big walk-in shower. Everybody loves it. There's your big tub with the window up above for natural lighting. Shut your door here, which everybody likes. Have a little privacy, shut the door. Let's check out how big this closet is. Oh yeah, massive closet. Big fan of getting up in the morning, get the shower, get dressed, so I don't wake up my wife, and then shut the door. Yeah, this bathroom is incredible. One last look at that amazing primary bathroom. Lots and lots of storage, lots of cabinets. Y'all have a great day. That's the Chanel.